A very good evening, my dear friends. I am Dr. Sapna Gupta and I welcome you all on my channel, Our Education Academy. हैप्पीस्ट माइंड की आईपीओ के बाद एक और आईपीओ आज ओपन हो चुका है, दैट इज़ राउट मोबाइल आईपीओ, जिसका शॉर्ट रिव्यू करेंगे और फिर उसका एंड्रॉयड मोबाइल से ज़ीरोधा के प्लेटफॉर्म से अप्लाई करने का प्रोसीजर देखेंगे। अगर आपके पास डीपैन अकाउंट नहीं है या अभी तक ओपन नहीं है तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है, वहाँ से इजीली आप डीमैट अकाउंट खोल सकते हैं। चलिए क्विकली विल गो टू द रिव्यू। राउट मोबाइल कंपनी एक लीडिंग क्लाउड कम्युनिकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइडर है जो इनकॉर्पोरेट हुआ 2004 में, जो एनहांस करती है मोबाइल कम्युनिकेशन को यूजिंग टेक्नोलॉजी अपग्रेड्स एंड प्रोडक्ट इनोवेशंस। Its motive is meeting the needs of diverse clients across geographies. Its range of enterprise communication is a smart solution in messaging, voice, emails, SMS filtering, analytics and monetization. तो bulk SMS and bulk mails की का काम करती है। The company's client includes world largest organization and includes several Fortune global companies. मतलब ये business इनका globally spread है। Now coming to the facts of the company has a workforce of 318 employees and spread over 18 locations: Africa, Asia Pacific, Europe, Middle East and North America. It has the clients that is 30,150 plus clients are globally spread and 800 plus network operators are there, 200 plus direct connections or super networks are there. Next, while coming to the financial information of this company, the company is performing very well and sound growth in profit is seen in last 3 years. Here we can see the profit in 2018 is 466.77 million and which increased to in 2019 that is 545.32 million, and in 2020 it is 691.02 million, and when we come to the first quarter of 2020 the profit is 269.34. so we can see it has a very sound growth. Next is the object of the issue. What is the main reason of issuing this IPO is the company wants to repay or prepayment of its borrowings of the company. Actually, to pay the borrowings, the company is issuing this IPO. And the next is acquisition and other strategic initiatives, that is acquiring the strategic activities to become the market leader. Now purchase of office premises in Mumbai, the next reason is this, and the next is general corporate purposes. So the reasons are very well good for this IPO. Next is the IPO dates. The IPO dates, the issue date, opening date is 9th 2020, September 9, 2020, and September 11, 2020 it is open. And the price range is 345 to rupees 350 per equity shares. The lot size is 40 shares and the minimum lot size is 1 for retail investors, and the amount needed is 14,000, and the next maximum lot size is 14, that is for 560 shares, and the amount is 196,000. Now listing date is September 21st 2020. Now after this IPO issue, the promoters holding will be 66.33%, which was 96% before. Now it will be 66.33%. Next, while coming to the IPO offer size by investors category, the shares are allocated for QIB, that is 50%, that is 300 crores, and then 15% for NIIs, and then the retail individual investors it is 35%. And with the positive points, there are some risk factors also with this company, so investors have to think about it before investing in this company. That is, first one is it operates in highly evolving market. Its dependency on third parties mobile network operations, so it is one of the risk over here also. Now revenues depends on limited number of clients. The client numbers is very limited, so revenue depends on them only. Okay, next is rely on third party technology system and infrastructure to provide services and solutions to clients. So next is the risk from potential claims resulting from clients' misuse of its platform to send unauthorized text messages in violation of TRAI. These are the challenges and risk factor which the investors have to think before investing in this IPO. But on an average, this is not very big issue. So you can invest in this. It's good enough. So finally, let's come to the Route Mobile IPO application procedure using Android mobile. First, you just open your Kite Zerodha app. After opening this Kite Zerodha app, you just go to your profile, click over here, and then the platform will open over here. And now you have to go to console and then click on IPO. When you click on IPO, it will open in browser. So just open it in a browser which you are convenient to use. Next is choose which IPO you are going to apply for. You are going to apply for Route Mobile IPO, this one. So just click on bid over here. Click on bid. When you click on bid, the next window will open, and in the next window, what you will see, the IPO window will remain open from 10 a.m. till 5 p.m. This is the working time when you can apply for the IPO in the working days. Then next you have to fill the UPI field, which UPI ID you are going to apply for. The next is, after UPI, you just enter the quantity. Enter the quantity over here. Just enter the quantity. Then tick the cutoff price over here. After ticking the cutoff price, you just go to submit button and submit the amount payable will be 14,000. After submitting, you will get the window which shows the IPO application submitted, and hence the application is submitted successfully. Thank you very much. If you feel the video is helpful, please do subscribe and like the video, and to get updates of upcoming IPOs, please press the bell icon. Thank you very much.